Hello, hello, oh guys. This is Baker. We are spring machine manufacturer. And today, this one Camless no wire rotary model GJ 45X. This one GJ 45X. Now assembly is electric parts at the chassis. Take a closer. For is electric cars. Electric parts. This is the Camless with spinner for conveyor belts. Is now installing the metal parts for its electric parts for transformers, for the servers, for the server, for the control system mainboards. This is Camless type. Okay, the chassis. This model GJ45X. Okay, let's move it another angle for this machine. This is the Camless one with for conveyor belt. Let's move to the front work panel at this angle. This is our assembly area for the spring machine. Sample machine to be installed, then put on a tools, then go sampling. Sampling completed. Client will come to our factory for a free using training. Once the sampling completed, we'll go next for free using training. This is the Camless 11 axis. Check closer the work panel. This is the work panel. And this is the cam tab. This is the cam tab. And this one sampling completed for this. The products, this, and the tools. Camless 11 axis. At the rear view, and the feeding rollers. To show you a closer look at the wire feeding. This one client just complete the sampling for flat strip. Controller system, flat strip, cam type. And this one, Camless with wire rotary. The samples, different samples. Variety of samples. And the work panel, the whole view of our machine, our assembly area, different stage, some of them complete. Okay, let me introduce some more details for you. We are spring machine manufacturer in South China, in Dongguan City. A lot of for a regular spring, for special spring, and for tailor-made wire forming products. Okay, let me introduce some more details. Show you the work panel and the control system. This one, the same work panel with different size for 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter. Hey. Okay, let me introduce in this one as the to turn. All the samples on the table are made by our different stage of the order request by the client from different time at different models. All the one on the table. Like this today, client control factory training to request mass producing this one. And like this the compression. And this the flat honeycomb. This anti-vibration suspension. Seat safe belt. Seat safe belt. Spiral constant force spring. Anti-vibration. Sports. High jump matches. High jump matches. This one using in automatic beverage seller. Automatic beverage selling machine. Chaplain, mechanic, industrial machinery, extension, pour spring, heavy duty, 8mm, carbon steel, anti-vibration. Okay, turn on this to running, showcase how it's moving the products. So this is a ready one. Just need to put on the tools, put on the wire, then it's go production for you. And this now, already now, the tools is for this tent, camp, ground stick, 10 pieces per minute, 6 millimeter carbon steel, 6 millimeter carbon steel. This one, 12 axis, Camless with wire rotary. And this our tailmate for conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate enrobing. Conveyor belt, mesh belt, conveyor mesh belt. So let me introduce it. Let me show you our machine ability for the regular spring, for the traditional, or for the unusual, or for typical or tailor-made products. To introducing our machine series and their functions. This okay, move it closer. The one, this paper telling our 4 series of machine, 4 series of machine. Number 1, number 2, Camless. Number 3, number 4, cam type without wire rotary or with wire rotary. For wire, feeding wire range 0.15 max to 12 millimeter. And this, the one cam type with wire rotary. Different products they made. This in this paper, 5 axes to 6 axes with wire rotary. Cam type with wire rotary. And this is the max one, 6 millimeter hard wire, or for iron 9 millimeter. If you put one server sizer on the work panel. The rear view of work panel for Camless one. You can have an idea that so 8 handle, 8 servo motor. This is we call the Camless, and the chassis electric pass for the servers, for the control system main board, for air switches, for power supply, and for transformer. And here's the cable connecting to the total power and the power signal to wire decoil. Close look at the take a close look at the symbol. This cabinet, this symbol, telling the Camless with wire rotary, 4 keys, wire rotary system, wire feeding system, and the rear half of the work panel. This machine, basic information, key parameters. For the wire feeding, 7 kilowatt. Wire feeding, 7 kilowatt. 8 hand. Every one of them, every one is 4.5 kilowatt. Spinner, 2 kilowatt. With the same work panel, have 4 models available for 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter. And this one, Camless with wire rotary, every height 4.5 is turning 180 degree. So on the controls on the screen on the monitor, that shows X1 to X8, and the Y for wire feeding. The unit millimeter sound the turning unit as angle, the length and the angle. So this is the control system. English, Chinese, Spanish, Russian, okay, as you wish. And the disc, the disc 210 millimeter. The sliding distance almost 20 centimeter, almost 20 centimeter, and the manger 8 millimeter. So the sliding distance 20 millimeter. According to different tasks, you can using the different lengths of the coil of the manger. We have the standard manger, or if is special long products, then use this one extended some longer. The manger should be extended according to different tasks. This machine go ocean shipping by the high type ocean container. For his functions, make torsion spring, tension spring, or double torsion spring, pull spring, artifact, as like the outdoor, the frame, the metal frame twisted with LED strip for the night, outdoor night LED lighting decoration, LED lighting decoration for the coming holidays, holidays. What kind of this? What's the purpose? What's the usage of this one? Do you know? And what's this using for? What's this one using for? What's this one using for? Do you know? 6mm stainless steel. This I know. Pipe clamp, pipe clip for the usage one in metro in the petrol gas transportation, in municipal underground pipe connected type system, for agriculture, plant, garden, water irrigating system. For the water irrigating as the grape land, for the agriculture land, water irrigation, water irrigating network using the plastic clamp pipe clip, and the agriculture use 4 to 10mm lake time lake teeth. As well, we have this one. A lot of products according to the special usage, the wire forming, the torsion, tent, camp, four corner, ground stake, special unregular spring like this one, compression, pour. What's the purpose? What's the usage? This one. And this using in the high temperature or high humidity site, we call it sleeve spring. As the site nearby the car's engine for the high temperature and the high humidity. Show you the wire rotary spring form machine. 5 main parts. Number one, we can see the work panel, the chassis at the bottom for its electric parts, for like electric parts, servers, transformer, cable, and the connectors, air switch, power supply, control system mainboard, air conditioner, operate interface, this one, out, screen, cable, mouse, button, hand roller, at language, English, Chinese, or customized Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, cabinet chamber for the wire rotary, wire feeding, layer of work panel, wire decoil, depends on the main machine's feeding wire range. And for this one, paired with 6mm, paired with 800 type wire decoil. And the tools mode consists including the wire feeding tool, like the feeding roller and the guiding plates, and the shaping, forming tools like the coil, the manger, coiling finger, the cutter, special shaped tool, the spinner tools. So the tools and the mode. Running way, walking way, working with like the bending, forming, and the coiling. How to tell the difference? This continuous turning, we call it the coiling, by the coiling finger. And this U-turn, sharp angle turn, we're using the spinner to make like the sharp turning. This one 6 millimeter carbon steel hard. So the 5 to 7 system introducing for oil. This page telling our typical machines with our special know-how. Number one, conveyor belt related, chocolate coating wire mesh. Number two, pipe, clamp, hose pipe, creep. Its advantage at output rate. Max for wire 3 millimeter, max for spring OD, clamp OD 156 millimeter, 156 millimeter. As well, we have the compression spring machine. 2 axis one, 4 axis one, and 6 axis one. As total 6 models we can providing for you all. This is the cam type. The one, the sand work panel, 4 models as total, paired with 4 pair feeding rods or 5 pairs feeding roller. The chassis lengths are different according to different tasks. And this, the work panel, will show at the work panel free. So this is the one Camless with wire rotary, and now MPT running because I have stopped its wire rotary function. If I open this function, we will go sampling, like sampling for the lake time, for the agriculture purpose, lake time, lake teeth. If this one, just the showing case, because I had stopped the wire rotary. If open the wire rotary, wire going out, then to make the tent, the camp, ground 4 corner ground stick by this machine. The spinner goes by this, the spinner and the manger 8 millimeter and the 210 millimeter, the sliding distance almost 20 centimeter. This is the showcase running to telling you how it's moving. This the work panel, the chassis, and the chamber. The rear have a chamber and the wire decoil. So 7 systems I try to introduce this machine for you. Work panel, the slider, the coiling finger, the tool holder, the manger, the spinner, and the traces with the electric path of the server, transformer, control system mainboards, air switch, power supply, transformer, and also with one industrial air conditioner. Operate interface, monitor, keyboard, mouse, hand roller, button. The chamber cabinet with three main systems: wire rotary, wire feeding, and the rear half work panel, wire decoil to providing continuous feeding for the main machine. Put on the wire tool on the disc, then goes moving. Provide the wire to the main machine. Tools, mode. Tools and mode. The tools including the feeding tools and the forming tools. Feeding tools as like feeding roller, guiding plate, and the tool, forming tool, the manger, coiling finger, cutter, tailmate tool, the spinner tool. Okay, and the running way, we usually name the running way as coiling, bending, and forming. This continuous run called the coiling. The bending, the spinner, the spin. So the 8 slide into the working site according to the program, according to the order of every steps. One more time, I show you close to how it's moving, how it's making the products. Okay, let's go it closer to the site, to the work panel. Take a closer look at this, how it's moving. Because this, here's a hole. I had stopped the wire feeding. If we open the wire feeding, then it can producing the products, the ground stick, tent cap, ground stick, and this shaft, 210 millimeter, sliding distance, almost 20 centimeter, high wind layer package. Spinner. The tools include, the forming tools include the manger, the coiling finger, the layer, spinner tool, spaceship tool, sliding distance, almost 20 centimeter. And this output for 13 axis, server cutter. Control system. This is the control system. X1, X8. The figures standing for millimeter. And O for wire rotary. This means the degree. This means the length, unit as millimeter. Q for spinner. Number 9 for manger, for the coil. Its degree, so it's almost 180. Semicircle just need 180 degree. 180 degree semicircle. The distance millimeter. And then it's Arukuchi, the date, English, Chinese, Spanish, Russian, as you wish. Here has the ladle, the probe, the L, the delay, that's the cycling, that's the times, and the mark. Here's and show you the cabinet for the wire rotary. This is the wire rotary system. And this goes for wire feeding system. 4 pair feeding roller, 7 kilowatts. The work panel, rear view of work panel. Compare to this, the camel tap under construction and the sampling complete, because today the client be here for a free using training, and the training completed. And this is the today's topic, most concern. Camless with wire rotary, making and widely used in agricultural purpose, industrial machine, industrial spring, mechanic industrial spring, outdoor sports, and the mining machinery are with a lot of heavy-duty spring, like a pull spring, extension spring, and a double torsion spring. The whole machine. To be loaded, go ocean by high type ocean container. And this on the table as the products we ever made for we ever go sampling for clients.